Actually, the idea of the conference, I think, came about 10 years ago when we started working with teachers in various countries, basically in the Baltic region, Finland, and Scandinavian countries. And we wanted to establish a platform where people could come together and share what they've been doing. And that's basically how the idea came about. And we ran the first conference in September 2012 in Riga. And 2 years is something which we discovered as a period an average teacher needs to come up with something new. So when we go to the classroom, we do some things, we try things out. It's difficult to share things every year. Conferences this year is different. In the first time, we've been thinking about doing it in a virtual format, and well, looking forward to new challenges and new opportunities. These conferences have always been practical, and we've always been emphasizing this. So it's a practical conference rather than an academic conference. So our main audience is a teacher, and this is a teacher who is really concerned with the quality of the learning process. So we would like to see, as our participants, those teachers who are looking for new ways of doing things. Besides teachers, we always welcome teacher educators. These could be leaders of educational institutions, for whom these conferences have been a chance to see new approaches, to see new methods, to meet new people who maybe later they would like to invite and be in touch in the context of their school. And we always welcome policymakers who are interested in what's going on in the field. And given that teaching thinking is almost a buzz expression,